Trump. Let me make this clear. I'm lobbying you to come up with 1 week. You tell them there's 1 week allowance to, like a grace period, to try to not do anything destructive or still kill and destroy for a whole week, to transform this movement that was going to be physical. But they know that it's physical ain't going to work, so let them transform into something that can be redeemed instead of just trapped in Stupidville. I say, man, come out with a, 1 week is grace period. I'll pull back for 1 week. If you guys can go a whole week without violence and all that, or at least have your people point, like it's them doing it, not us, it's them. You do that, and you can get some righteousness in your movement. You know what I mean? You do it. You ought to do it political, not by assassination, right? We're civilized in America, okay? Oh, okay. Oh, joke. All right.